butterflies in the stomach when we start the game tomorrow.
And on handshake, will you break the suspense?
अब 24 घंटा रुक जाओ ना उसके लिए, इतना अभी उस पे पर्दे क्यों डालने हैं? They have a little bit of advantage, but we are playing a T20 format. I feel, yeah, I mean, they have been doing well, obviously, with their bowling lineup and with their combinations. चलो ठीक है, if he wants him to play, then we'll play him tomorrow.
Thank you.
Done.
Thank you so much.
Has a good record against Pakistan.
अरे सर, good night.
பணம் சேர்த்தது போதும், இப்பொழுது அதை அதிகரிப்போம். LOLC சூப்பர் சேவிங் சேமிப்பு கணக்கு.
जो पॉलिटिकल बिल्डअप हुआ था, उससे आप समझते हो कि मैग्नीट्यूड जो इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच है वो कम हुआ है और आइंदा बड़ी अनसर्टेनिटी रहेगी कि खेलेंगे भी कि नहीं खेलेंगे?
नहीं सर, देखिए मैंने जैसे कि बताया यहाँ से आने से पहले ही कि हम लोग तो प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे, जो हमको फिक्सचर आया था आईसीसी का, और 15th को हमारा गेम था पाकिस्तान के सामने, और हम लोग की फ़्लाइट बुक थी कि यहाँ पे आके खेलने के लिए. सो वी वर वेरी प्रिपेयर्ड टू प्ले 4 लीग गेम्स, 3rd गेम ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे एंड 1 गोइंग बैक होम. सो वही हम लोग सोच रहे थे एंड वी वर ओनली फोकस्ड ऑन प्रिपेयरिंग व्हाट वी वांट टू डू.
To play a country outside India, and that too a country which has been used to the conditions here, and also there is uncertainty. First there was the uncertainty of the match, and now there is uncertainty of due to rain and all. How do you handle these pressures before an India-Pakistan?
Sir, see, I feel weather is something which is not in our control. In our control, the things are which we can control. That's like playing good cricket, by having good practice sessions, all of that. And we knew that we have to come here, play a game, and it's more like a subcontinent conditions. We have similar kind of wickets back home in India also, and we have played a lot of cricket here during bilaterals against Sri Lanka. So we are also very familiar with the conditions.
Today in the PC of Pakistan cricket captain said that they want to have Abhishek Sharma to play the game. So can you tell us, like, is there any update on him? How is he feeling?
चलो ठीक है, if he wants him to play, then we'll play him tomorrow.
Thank you.
Done.
Thank you so much.
අදමින් උදාවන හෙටත් ඔබ රකිමින් රට රැකවට කැපවී සිටිමු. ශ්‍රී ලංකා ඉන්ශුරන්ස් ලයිෆ්, පියකුමෙන් මවකමෙන්.
सूर्या, कोई कितना भी बोले, लेकिन ये इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच एक एक्सपेक्टेशन का, इसका उसका प्रेशर तो रहता है. तो
When you play a India Pak game, it's more about the occasion. It's a occasion. It's a big platform, obviously. तो we अब कितना भी बोल लो आप कि it's just another game, जाके हमको क्रिकेट खेलना है, बैक ऑफ द माइंड ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी है कि आपको पता है कि आप कौन सा गेम खेलने जा रहे हो.
Surya, last match Pakistan played 5 spinners and only 1 pacer. So, and also there's been a lot of talk in the build-up about Pakistan's spin attack, which looks very good. Your thoughts on that?
I feel, yeah, I mean, they have been doing well, obviously, with their bowling lineup and with their combinations. But yeah, we do have definitely some plans to try and tackle them when we play them tomorrow. And we also have a similar kind of setup when we go and play. But I don't know, we've just now seen the wicket. Looks good, looks very good, and we'll see what happens tomorrow.
गेम इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, बट पर्सनली दोनों टीमों को यहाँ देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा. लेकिन जाहिर है कल फिर एक शेक हैंड होना है, होगा नहीं होगा, इस पे क्या कहेंगे?
अब 24 घंटा रुक जाओ ना उसके लिए, इतना अभी उस पे पर्दे क्यों डालने हैं? अब हम गेम क्रिकेट खेलने आए, अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलेंगे, वो सब कॉल लेंगे बाद में. कल वेट करो ना, अच्छे से खाना खाओ, सो जाओ, कल देखते हैं.
Has a good record against Pakistan.
अरे सर, आप चाहते हो क्या खेले हो? ठीक है, चलो खिला देंगे.
Surya, you have broken the suspense on Abhishek, and on handshake, will you break the suspense? Because Captain Salman Ali Agha said that it would have been great to go back to the old times. So if you can break the suspense on that.
कल कर देता हूँ ना ब्रेक सस्पेंस. अभी तो बताया मैंने उनको 24 घंटे आप रुक जाओ, अच्छा गेम खेलेंगे, फिर गेम के बाद अभी इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है आप बताओ? कल गेम इंपॉर्टेंट है, पहले गेम खेलेंगे, उसके बाद टॉस पे देखेंगे ना. अभी आप रुक जाओ ना 24 घंटा.
Sky, my question was slightly similar only. As a captain, as somebody who reads the game and, watches other players, other teams, what is your assessment of this current Pakistani team? Like, when you watch them, what is it that comes to your mind?
See, that's what I said just now. Okay, I think they've been playing some good cricket recently. What I saw in the last 2 games, I didn't see any series before that. But then I've heard a lot. They're playing some good cricket. Also playing here, they have a little bit of advantage. But then that's okay. We've also played a lot of cricket here, and we've come here in different conditions. We played our cricket as well. So we just want to stick to what we want to do and not focus about anything else.
Do you think handling the pressure is more important, or playing brave cricket is more important?
I think it can be mix of both, sir. Yes, there will be pressure. As I rightly said, you can't run away from the fact that there won't be any pressure. Yes, there will be pressure. There will be nerves, butterflies in the stomach when we start the game tomorrow. But yeah, at the same time, there's no pressure, there's no nerves, there's no fun to play cricket. And yeah, it's a big occasion. Yes, definitely. But yeah, I mean, every time I say the same thing. At the end of the day, it's just another game. You have to back your skills, play some good cricket, focus on what you want to do better, and we'll see what happens.
तो पाकिस्तान की जानिब से ऐसा कौन सा प्लेयर आपको लगता है कि जो मैच चेंज कर सकता है?
See, I think T20 क्रिकेट में अगर आप 6-7 बैटर खेलते हो तो कोई भी 1 या 2 बैटर जब खेलता है वही गेम टर्न कर सकता है. ऐसा में अगर समझो अगर मैं किसी का नाम लूंगा और उसने अगर कल रन नहीं बनाया तो फिर आपके लिए दिक्कत हो सकती है.
See, Pakistan have surely been acclimatized, having been here for more than a fortnight, but they'll be playing here for the first time. The conditions will be as new to them as to you. You think is there an advantage still for them?
I don't feel there's an added advantage. Yes, the team has not been traveling here and there, but at the same time, they've been moving around in different cities and playing the game. I think, and as I rightly said, we've come here before. We've played these conditions. We know how the pitch plays. Similar conditions to India, not too far from India also. So it's like a same situation for both the teams.
You played last year. Sri Lanka won a series against India after 27 years, I think.
I have sharp memory, huh?
Yeah, I mean, we have to remember, no? So then, how do you feel? Because you struggled against the Sri Lankan spinners at Premadasa Stadium. So what you have learned from that?
But which format that was?
That was the ODI series, but then after...
But we are playing a T20 format. You're not saying we won this T20 series in Kandy.
But I think the last T20 series also played here during COVID. I think India lost.
Because people were down with COVID. See, it's definitely challenging when you come to Sri Lanka. Yes, it's a subcontinent, but at the same time, pitches are little different, not too different from India. And when spinners bowl really well, at that time, all the best spinners were playing. And now also, I think it's almost a similar side. But then at the end of the day, you have to challenge yourself, somehow find a solution and come out good. Good night.